Okay, let's talk foraging. So you attacked your wilds and you started to gather helmets and shields and everything. Normally, I would not go after helmets, which are the heals, because there's an extra click involved. But I had a lot of charms and I decided I didn't care because I wasn't going to click them anyways. But I did anyways. Uh, anyways, once you get your gears in inventory, just go ahead and click them, which is a pain in the ass, and go to your blacksmith equipment, and here you can level up your gears. I really like those Lord Valentine maces for attacking wilds. Um, even the Celtics pretty much weren't good as the Valentine's maces for attacking wilds. Um, yeah, Celtic maces are garbage, but I do like the new gods there. And shields. Celtic shield ain't too bad. I have so many are pretty much fully activated. Pretty much the ones that I use for wilds, I activated. Okay, let's say armor. Armor is one of my weak points here. Uh, and actually, the Celtic stuff really isn't too bad for armor. Okay, to activate this, you can either double click it or you can swipe it up there. You can swipe it or just double click. Okay, that's how you update your gears. Now, when these are yellow, these are activated. Now, these ones aren't yellow. They don't mean anything. You're not getting that 15%. You're not getting the 30% until these here are all unlocked. Now, forging is a whole different thing. This stuff's tough. It was easier earlier, but when this first started, but now it's really tough. But let's go to the night hall here. I don't have many high nights. I only have a couple 250s. I have them in the other cities, and but this here is pretty much. Let's see. This here will pretty much tell you what gears your knights are at. As you can see, most of my higher knights are getting stronger. I still have a little bit of work to do here, I see. Okay, but I believe I have 11 of them geared up. Now to get to the important numbers, let's see here. These numbers up here were like 336, 326. Those don't mean anything. You're only getting a half a percent on each of those numbers. So for every one that goes up, you're only getting a half a percent increase. Now, where it adds up is forging. Now I'll go back here. Now you hit this little details tab here. Yeah, these numbers here mean nothing. These are the numbers that mean something. And forging is where you get those numbers. Um, that's that's about it. I just wanted to do a little tutorial here about this. Seems like a lot of people are having questions about it. All right, hope it helps.